Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by anchoring your fingers. Put index fingers on F and J so you always know home row without looking. Once placed, relax your shoulders and keep wrists neutral to avoid tension. Begin immediately with short drills, 10-15 minutes, typing only the home row letters. This builds muscle memory. Make sure to correct finger placement each time you glance down. Consistent repetition is why your hands learn the positions faster than conscious recall. Once comfortable with the home row, expand outward systematically. Reach for top and bottom rows in controlled 5-key arcs and always return to home. You should practice sequences, first separate rows, then common letter pairs, so your fingers learn patterns rather than isolated keys. Increase speed only after you hit roughly 90% accuracy to avoid ingraining mistakes. Make sure to alternate short, focused bursts with brief breaks. That spacing enhances retention and reduces fatigue while you build fluency. You finish by integrating everything into continuous typing. Move from sentences to full paragraphs, prioritizing rhythm and accuracy over raw speed. When errors appear, slow down and target the specific problematic keys for focused 5-minute correction drills so you don't reinforce bad habits. If progress stalls, revert to brief home row practice for 5-10 minutes, then rebuild. One key troubleshooting tip: when accuracy drops under 85%, pause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.